Welcome friends, in this video we shall talk about a hand yoga pose called as Pan Mudra. This mudra is very effective in dealing with headaches and migraines. Plus, I will talk about 9 more mudras which can help remove headaches. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Pan Mudra. This mudra is formed by both the hands together. To form this mudra, keep the palms of both your hands facing downwards. Join the tips of the thumbs of both your hands and also join the tips of the index fingers of both your hands. Then stretch apart all your fingers. What you will get is Pan Mudra, which is shown here in this picture. This entire mudra gives shape of a betel leaf, also called as Pan in Hindi, and therefore the name of this mudra is the Pan Mudra. Benefits of Pan Mudra. This mudra cures migraine and all types of headaches. This mudra decreases anger and tiredness or lethargy of our body. This mudra reduces stress and it also increases memory. This mudra is said to awaken the third eye, which is also called as our sixth sense. Here is a list of 10 mudras which are useful in dealing with headaches. We have videos on each one of these mudra, and you can watch those videos by going to our channel and get more details on each of those mudras. Mudras are Mahashirsha Mudra, Pan Mudra, Mushtika Mudra, which is effective in getting the relief quickly, Surya Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Apan Vayu Mudra, Pran Mudra, Agni Shakti Mudra, Kuber Mudra, which is effective in dealing with headaches caused by common cold, Mirgi Mudra, which is effective in dealing with headaches caused by the dental pain. Now let's have some general information on the mudras. But I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is a summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are tattva mudras and 5 are pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva Mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic Mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand, or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. 2 different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra. because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.